Hello again everyone, Raf here from BNC Camera, and in this video we'll be discussing with you some ideas for TikTok. Okay, so at this point I'm not sure there isn't anyone who doesn't know what TikTok is, whether you're 7 or 77. Many people are even making a career out of TikTok videos. If you've been living under a rock for the last few years, let me tell you what TikTok is. This social media platform is a feed of short videos and is very popular. Content for the app started as dancing videos and has blossomed into a social media powerhouse with many variations of small clips. Now tag along with us as we go over a trending list on TikTok right now that'll help get you started or help get you more followers. First up's an easy go-to, challenges. Now challenges have stood the test of social media time and has been circulating on social media even before TikTok. Challenges are an easy way to also rope other people and continue the chain reaction. Think of past ones like the ice bucket, milk crate, flip the switch, or the Kiki challenge. If you want to be a trendsetter, try to figure out your own challenge that seems fun and unique. Next one is a pretty standard go-to for the social media juggernaut by, of course, dancing your heart out. If you're a good dancer, it's probably easy to attract more followers. Many people can watch cool dancing videos for a long time because watching the body move in non-traditional ways is mesmerizing. So if you have rhythm, get your body moving on camera. Now, if moving and grooving isn't your style, you can go ahead and try lip-sync videos. Putting a personal twist and dramatics to a song is always fun. Why not record yourself doing it? Some popular TikTokers will put their spin on the song and recreate popular music videos. You can either do these in a fun and silly way or something more serious and sensual. If singing and dancing isn't your style, why not show off your acting prowesses by reenacting movie scenes? There are so many great movie scenes that people could watch over and over. Take this opportunity to turn classics into your own. Inject some comedy into your reenactments to garner more attention. Okay, so who doesn't love animals? Animals will always win. Literally everyone loves cute animal videos. Animal videos seem to capture the attention of young and old almost immediately. If you have a furry friend, take a funny video. Next up is a pretty cool one. Do some art videos. Show off your artistic abilities by making a video. Some programs actually allow time-lapse recordings if you're doing digital artwork, but you can also use other cameras with time-lapse features to showcase your art and what goes along with the creative process. Now, the next one may seem silly, but answer some questions. Yes, you heard that right. Answer some questions. However, put a spin on it by combining it with a song. This trend has been taking TikTok by storm. Next one's a bit more challenging but rewarding by making satisfying videos. For some, this would include things such as time-lapse videos of baking a cake, walkthroughs through beautiful parks, to slow-mo clips of looking out an airplane window with the ambient white noise in the background. Next up, makeover videos. Makeover videos are always fun. They can be anything from someone's clothing style, makeup, or even hairstyles. This idea is pretty popular among fashion influencers or people in the beauty industry, so keep that in mind. For those who like to stay active, why not make some fitness videos? Here's a fun one for fitness influencers or if you're a workout enthusiast. People love to be motivated by others, and who knows, maybe your short video will inspire and motivate. Lastly, this one's very prominent on YouTube but also applicable to TikTok, reaction videos. These can be so much fun or even have more serious tones. You can easily show your reaction to something that happened on the news, someone else's makeover, and so much more. Honestly, the sky's the limit with this one. And that is a wrap for our list. If we had missed anything else, or you're watching this from the far-flung future, let us know some trendy TikTok ideas in the comments section. Now remember, just be creative and original. The biggest bullet point of all is to have fun and be yourself. And once more, this is Raf from DNC Camera, and we'll catch you in the next video.